This question is from the chapter units and measurements, but it is related to wave optics, the equation wave optics. So mathematically it becomes a bit stronger. See that there is a single slit diffraction experiment and the slit width is measured with a certain error in that one. There is an uncertainty in the slit width. Okay. Is to measure the wavelength of the monochromatic light source. In the diffraction pattern, the angular distance between the central maximum and first minimum is measured to be, there is an error, angle, there is an error in angle. What is the value of fractional error in the measurement of wavelength? You want fractional error in wavelength, whereas error in the slit width is given, error in the angular measurement is given. So where to start with this? That's the first point. ഇത് എവിടെ തുടങ്ങണം? നമുക്ക് ആകെ അറിയാവുന്നത് ഈ പാത്ത് ഡിഫറൻസിന്റെ ഒരു കണ്ടീഷൻ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, മിനിമം ഫസ്റ്റ് മിനിമം ഉണ്ടാവണം. ഡിഫ്രാക്ഷനിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് മിനിമം ഉണ്ടാവണമെങ്കിൽ കണ്ടീഷൻ ഇതാണ്. വി നോ ദ കണ്ടീഷൻ ഈസ് എ സൈൻ തീറ്റ ഈക്വൽ ടു എൻ ലാംഡ, or lambda equal to a sin theta. That's a condition for first minimum. Here, since it is involving a product on the right hand side, ഇവിടെ product ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് you need to convert this into addition. That's why we use logarithm on both the sides. We'll write a log lambda equal to log a plus log sin theta. Then we take the derivative. Log lambda is 1 by lambda d lambda equal to 1 by a dA plus 1 by sin theta d sin theta. D sin theta, but understand that our error is in angle, not in sin theta. So d sin theta can be written as cos theta d theta. So now the next step is to convert this into uncertainties. When you write this uncertainty, d lambda by lambda is written as delta lambda by lambda equal to delta a by a plus cos theta by sin theta is cot theta into delta theta. So we have formed the equation. Now values must be substituted. What is delta lambda? Wavelength. That's what we need to calculate. So delta lambda by lambda should be calculated. What is delta a by a? Delta a is given as 0.002 divided by a's actual value is 0.016. I think it's easily divisible. Plus, what is theta? Theta is 2 degree. I think see, it's given sin 2 degree here. So better not to write as cot theta. You don't have to write it as cot theta. You can write it as cos theta by sin theta itself. See, 2 degree. Cos 2 degree is approximately 1. Sin 2 degree is given as 0.035 into what is delta theta? Delta theta, it's 40 minute. Delta theta is 40 minute and the angle is 2 degree. So delta theta should be written here. Delta theta, 40 minute. 40 minute must be written in radian. 40 minute must be written in radian. So what you do is 40 divided by 60 degree into the radian conversion is pi divided by 180. The first term can be written as 0.001 by 0.008. 1 by 8 is 0.125. So this will be nearly 0. No, it's exactly 0.125 plus. This is 40 by 60. You can calculate as 2 by 3. Little complicated calculation. 3 goes here at 1 time. 2 by 180. So that is 1 by 0.035 into 2 pi by 3 into 180. Will be a little difficult to calculate, but overall I have calculated this as 0.457. So if you want that in 2 digits, you can write it as 0.46 as the answer. That is a fractional error wavelength. The last calculation part is a bit complicated. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് എളുപ്പമായിരിക്കും. എല്ലാം ഞാനിങ്ങനെ എളുപ്പമാണെന്നുകൊണ്ട് തള്ളുന്നുണ്ട്, ഒന്നും വിചാരിക്കണ്ട.